I'm Chef Garrett and we're making slime-ade. We're going to start with our simple syrup. So first we need 1 cup of water. And 1 cup of sugar. Whoa! So we're going to get some zest from 2 Melissa's limes, 1 Melissa's lemon, and a few arms of Melissa's Buddha's hand. We're going to put in our zest. Then we're going to mix it. Then it's going to simmer for 5 minutes. So while our simple syrup is simmering, we're going to start on our slime-ade. So first we get 6 cups of water. So we're going to put in the juice of 2 Melissa's limes and the juice of the Melissa's seedless-lemon. Then we stir it around. Our simple syrup is done. Now we're going to add it to our slime-ade. Then we're going to stir it around. So we're going to let our slime-ade chill. So let's start with our glass. So first we're going to start by putting some Melissa's kiwano melon in. The kiwano melon is very slimy and spiky, and it tastes like a cucumber and a melon mixed together. So we have our kiwano melon slime. Now we're going to pour the slime-ade in. So we have our Buddha's hand fingers to garnish. So I just put like a slice in to fit on the cup. We're going to put a little bit of club soda in. The club soda will help the kiwano melon dance. So now it's time to try it. It's very refreshing, very citrusy. It's like sweet and sour at the same time. I'm Chef Garrett and I'm slime. Do next time.